Food storage. How long can you keep carrots? Fresh, raw, unpeeled. How long do raw carrots last in the fridge? The precise answer to that question depends to a large extent on storage conditions. After purchasing, keep carrots refrigerated at all times. To maximize the shelf life of raw carrots, refrigerate in a plastic bag. How long do raw carrots last in the refrigerator? Properly stored, carrots will usually keep well for about 3 to 4 weeks in the fridge. Do you need to wash raw carrots before eating them? Yes, carrots should be thoroughly washed in running water before eating. How long do raw carrots last after they have been sliced or chopped? Chopped raw carrots will last for about 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. How long do carrots last in the fridge once they have been cooked? Cooked carrots will usually stay good for 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator and 10 to 12 months in the freezer. Can you freeze carrots? Yes, to freeze. 1. Wash, peel and cut into half-inch slices, cubes or strips. 2. Blanch, plunge into boiling water, for 2 minutes and chill quickly in ice-cold water. 3. Drain off excess moisture, package in airtight containers or freezer bags and freeze immediately. How long do carrots last in the freezer? Properly stored, they will maintain best quality for about 10 to 12 months, but will remain safe beyond that time. The freezer time shown is for best quality only. Carrots that have been kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit will keep safe indefinitely. How to tell if carrots are bad or spoiled? Carrots that are spoiling will typically become soft, discolored and easy to bend. Discard any carrots that have an off smell or appearance. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our channel.